Your Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamid, I am extremely happy to welcome Your Highness to Kathmandu. On behalf of the government and people of Nepal and on my own, I express my sincere gratitude to Your Highness for accepting our invitation. It was a long-awaited visit indeed. I am truly delighted to welcome you and Your Highness to the land of ancient civilization, the country of Mount Everest, and the birthplace of Lord Buddha. I would also like to welcome all the distinguished members of your delegation. Nepal and Qatar have always had cordial relations. The relation is not limited to the government level but has expanded through the implementation of Qatar's national vision from Qatar's phenomenal development experience. There are priorities. These are our priorities. Volume and the value between Nepal and Qatar is quite low. Carpets and handicrafts have a good market potential in Qatar.